We spend so much money on our smartphones, so we want to make sure that we're giving them the best care possible. One of the biggest things you can do to extend your phone's life is to make sure it's being charged properly. And there are a few secrets to doing this that you may not know about. By following these do's and don'ts, you can help maintain your cell phone's battery health and ensure safe charging practices. Don't rely on cheap wall plug chargers. Poorly made knockoff chargers can create more problems than they are worth, and often without any protection. Although you may be able to find a charger on Amazon or someplace else at a lower price, those cheaper chargers can actually damage your phone. The high-quality chargers have specifically designed circuits within them that will keep your phone from overcharging, breaking, or overheating. So quality is an important thing to keep in mind when it comes to buying a charger.
Don't use your phone while charging. Using your phone while it is charging is one of the worst things you can do. It increases your phone's temperature significantly, which can put a lot of stress on your battery, screen, and processor. You should plug your phone in and leave it alone until it's finished charging. Avoid overnight charging. Charging your phone overnight can lead to overcharging, which may damage the battery over time. Instead, try to unplug it once it reaches 100%. Avoid charging your phone on soft surfaces like beds or couches, as this can cause overheating. Instead, charge it on a hard, flat surface. It's better to charge your phone regularly rather than letting it drain completely. Keeping the battery between 20% and 80% can help prolong its lifespan. By following these do's and don'ts, you can help maintain your cell phone's battery health and ensure safe charging practices. Thank you for watching.